Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a significant challenge facing the insurance industry, rising claims costs. According to a new analysis from Insurify, homeowners are bracing for an 8% increase on their insurance rates by the end of 2025, which follows a staggering 20% surge over the past 2 years, increasing financial strain on property owners as insurers contend with escalating losses from climate-related disasters. It's a trend putting real pressure on insurance companies and ultimately on policyholders. Let's talk about the problem. Why are claims costs going up? One of the biggest culprits is the surge in labor and material costs. We're seeing rising prices in the construction industry as well as shortages of skilled labor. Another major factor that quickly inflates these costs is the replacement of personal property. Oftentimes, homeowners, understandably overwhelmed, might suggest just throwing everything away to be replaced. But here's the thing, we found that that's often neither the best path for the insured nor for the insurance carrier. So, what's the solution? We have it. At CRS, we understand the complexities behind rising claims costs. While factors like supply and demand or inflation might be beyond our control, we develop strategic plans aimed at significantly reducing these costs for you. Our approach combines a trusted process with state-of-the-art technology. This system streamlines the entire pack-out process and ensures clear, consistent communication with the insurance company. By working efficiently, we reduce labor costs, which in turn directly lowers overall claim expenses. And here's a crucial point: expert restoration. Replacing damaged items can be a huge cost driver. CRS is equipped to handle even the most complex restoration tasks, with a strong commitment to returning items to their pre-damaged condition. By focusing on restoration rather than replacement, we help save significant time and money for the insurance carrier, getting policyholders back on their feet faster, and preserving valuable sentimental items. Join us next week when we take a deeper dive in how we save money with our restoration versus replacement process.